Welcome to my new listing here in Westminster, Maryland. We're at 1709 Peppermint Lane. This beautifully updated rancher features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage in the front, 1-car garage in the back with an in-ground pool. Let's take a look. Thanks again for coming out and taking a look at another one of our awesome listings. Don't forget to hit that like and share button, and we'll see you at the next one.